Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. As everyone knows, I never do unboxing videos, but I come across a company a few weeks ago that made something that caught my eye, and I thought I would do it for this one time. Blade grips. Now I'm going to show everyone what it is. I'm sure everyone knows by now I've taken these out and tried them on the knives. I'll show everybody what this is. It's a little silicone cover for your knife. It's got a clear one and a blue one. They designed them to fit this Ultratech, but you know me, I had to give them a call, let them know they'll fit the Crate tactical knives as well. So what I'm going to do today is just show you how to put one on. Not too hard to get on here, and when you do get it on here, it will stay. Push this back up a little bit. As you can see, they fit perfect in here. Still activates your knife. You still got your glass breaker, and it's really easy to activate your button down here. I thought this was a novel idea. Everyone buys a case for their cell phone when they buy it. Why not put one on your knife? Now I think I'll put this clear one on this one and see how this looks. You can push it back on here. Of course, your clip might be a little tight. Just pry it up, then you can push it up. I think it looks pretty good on here. Gives you a little extra grip too. I like the way that feels. And I will give everyone a little tip too, since we're talking about knives. Take you a little oil on your out the front knives. Put your little drop in there. They'll always work good that way. And you can put just a little bit right in here for your switch. Doesn't take much. And a little bit back here. I think this was a great idea. After he sent these to me, I asked him to send them for me. I kind of wish I'd have got one of the glow in the dark. They have several colors. And this, I think, is great. Don't think they've been in business very long. I'll have a link to their website in the description box below. Check them out. Reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell and you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.